Well, imagine my surprise when I walked into Tuesday morning. Hi, this is Rachelle with Scrapcraftastic, and I know a lot of people don't like haul videos, but I decided I would come on and share some things that I found at Tuesday morning. I did not film like I did when I was searching for Hobby Lobby clearance, because I assumed when I went into that Tuesday morning that it would be as crowded as it usually is, and it's just too tight to try to film. Well, imagine my surprise when I walked into Tuesday morning and it was so nice and neat and open and spread out just the way I like to shop. And yes, I could have taken out my camera, my phone, and started recording, but I didn't because I had to search the store for the craft supply section. So by the time I found it, I was just like more interested in seeing what they had, because it was like a teeny little section compared to what it used to be. But the key to it was organized. It wasn't a jumbled mess. There wasn't a lot, but I did find a few good deals, and I'm going to share them with you now. So this is What's New Wednesday, kind of like a Wednesday's haul. And I'm sharing so that if you have a Tuesday morning and you need some of these supplies, they're a good price, you might want to check your Tuesday morning to see if they have the same thing. First thing I picked up, I already have one of these that I ordered from Amazon, and I'm pretty sure that I paid considerably more for it than this. They also sell these at Michael's. This was $14.99, $15. So this case has 16 4x6 containers in it. So this is great to store like loose sticker flakes, die cuts, anything like that. And if you want to use it to store photos, it could work to store photos. So this one is clear. The other one that I have is like a rainbow of color. So I thought the clear would be a nice addition. I like the simplicity of the clear. I definitely will be labeling these. My other one is full, so I will be using this one to store the sticker flakes and things that I got from Shein. If you didn't see that haul video, I'll link to it in the iCard up above. But I think this would be a great way to organize and store those items. And I'm pretty sure that once I do that, I will still have some room left in this. So that was like the big thing that I saw. It was like, whoa, $15? I think that's a pretty good price. So I just checked and looked it up on Michael's. The rainbow version is $41.99 at Michael's. It's $29 on Amazon. Let's see. Hobby Lobby is saying it's $14.99. So yeah, Hobby Lobby has it for $14.99 according to their website. I'm not sure if that's accurate, so I'm not sure. Maybe it's not that great of a price, but compared to Michael's and Amazon, it definitely is. So next up, this was not really something that I really needed, because part of this I could use a hole punch and make the corner look that way myself, but I decided to go ahead and get it. So this is a Crocodile by We Are Memory Keepers. It has the stub punch on one side. That's the one that I feel like I could just make with a hole punch. And then it has the scallop on the other side. This was $16.99. These usually cost around $30, so I thought that was a good price. Since the big stores don't have coupons anymore on Amazon, it's around $21, $23 depending on the seller. So I'm pretty sure the $16.99 is a good price, and I know that in the big stores it's probably $30. Back in the day, you could have used a coupon, but that's kind of hard to come by now. So I decided to get this set of cutting dies. This says it works with the Sizzix, the Cuttlebug, and Spellbinders. So hopefully I won't have a problem. But I think this is the only metal dies that I have that are alpha, so we will try those. So it is only alpha and a few symbols. It would have been nice if it had numbers, but I'm okay with the alpha. This was $9.99. Cutting dies can be very expensive. It says the estimated value is $29.99. Not sure if that's true, but I thought it was a good deal for $9.99. I also got this for $6.99. It says it's a $12.99 value, and it is a set of nesting dies, but it's a different type of nesting die. the dies are not exactly the same. They have different decorative features to them. So this could be used to create quite a few different things. I'm not a card maker, but these can work for other paper crafting style projects. So I'm kind of holding it to the side so it doesn't glare so much. But this is a square set of nesting dies. Then I also had same company for $4.99, $9.99 value. This I've never seen before. It has let's open it up. This one has an embossing folder. So what you do is put the paper in here and run it through the Big Shot or Sizzix or whatever die cutting machine you have to emboss this pattern onto your paper. And then it also has cutting dies that comes with it. I really don't know how this works. And I was wondering, some of these are okay. So some of these dies are the same as the designs on the embossing folder. It does have instructions on how to use it. It gives you a few tips on how to do it. So when I play around with this, I will come back and share how it works. For the dies alone, the $4.99 $5 price is good. Plus you get the embossing folder too. So I thought that was a good purchase price. So that's everything. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, you may be interested in these other videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.